welcome to my channel. I'm a Florida resident. I live about 2.5 to 3 hours away from Disney World, so we go pretty frequently. And today we are going back. We're about to get in the car, but on today's agenda is we've got some lightning lanes to Spaceship Earth, Test Track, and what was the last one? Soarin. It is President's Day weekend, and today is Valentine's Day, hence my mini Mickey. So it is going to be pretty crowded. So, anticipating some heavy crowds today at Epcot, but with the lightning lanes, and we've got a dinner reservation at La Hacienda de San Angel. Hopefully we should be okay, and we can hang around the front of the park because that tends to be a little less crowded. And then tomorrow we are off to Animal Kingdom, so a full day there, and then we leave on Monday. We're staying at All Star Movies. We've stayed there once before. We were in the preferred section of Toy Story, and this time we've just got a standard room, so I'm curious to see which one we'll get. Dalmatians, Fantasia, Love Bug, we'll see. But I'm super excited. Today coming with us is my husband, my 3 kids, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, and my sister-in-law. My sister-in-law has not yet been to Disney with the kids. So she came down yesterday. It was her birthday, and she wants to experience Disney with all the kids. So it should be a really fun weekend. And we are super excited. So we're going to load up the car and get going, and we'll see you at Disney World. Bye. Okay, here you go. Off Spaceship Earth, and we walked through the Broadway series, and now we're in Connections, about to eat some lunch, and then we've got a few more lightning lanes, Living with the Land and Soarin', and then dinner and Test Track and Figment. Yes, very hot today. All the lightning lanes are sold out, very crowded, but still having a good time. All right, we'll check in later. right, we got some much needed food at Connections, and we are off to Living with the Land in Soarin. It is very, very crowded today, and I've outsourced the stroller duty to my father-in-law. But it's a beautiful day.
Welcome to our living laboratory, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests now and into the future. Power for baking. One day, many of these lesser-known tropical plants may be as important as the bananas growing on both sides of the boat.
Yeah, bananas.
More than 28 million tons of bananas are eaten annually, making it the most popular fruit in the world.
It's my first time wearing bare feet.
Bare feet's fun.
But I have some.
Finally making it into the world. Father-in-law is feeling the vibes. Go, Mike. Rice candy from Japan.
No, you can eat that.
You can eat that part.
No, you can eat it. Put it all in your mouth.
You can eat it.
There you go. It's candy. It dissolves in your mouth.
What do you think?
Wow, Violet.
Good or bad? Good?
Oh man, look at that. It's like a dying with heaven. What's up, baby?
Birthday, dear Rachel. Happy birthday to you.
I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle model.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Ooh, let's try another. I look good with the third row.
And here's one I think you'll really love.
I can get used to this.
Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride?
Sure, it's always fun to be free.
To see what else lies beyond the horizon?